Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome back to another vlog, and today it's me and my friend. We are here in Snow Mountain, also called Grand Canyon Chonburi. We are here for a film that we're working on. It's a fantasy film, also another music video we're working on right now. It's gonna be an interesting day. Look at the view. Amazing. And here is my friend Min.
Hi,
say
guys.
hi, man. So over here we are filming this railway scene. Very lucky we managed to find a railway track here, which is very near to the Grand Canyon, the place we came to. How is it going so far? Good?
Good, so
Yeah, man.
tired.
Yeah, it's
So hot.
Heat โคตรมัน Awesome. What a take. So we were doing a shot of us running, of him running, and now while we go back he's gonna take a shot of me running. Yeah, we'll see how it looks. But this place is absolutely insane. Yo bro, how you feeling after the run?
So hungry.
So hungry?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go to that place over there. I think that's gonna be pretty interesting because its name itself is called Snow Mountain. Whoa, look at this, man. Beautiful. So this one is Snow Mountain, as I already told you guys. But literally there is no snow in this place. Because the name is Snow Mountain, because I think because it looks like an iceberg. So yeah, let's have a look. This is the Snow Mountain, and the Grand Canyon is just right over there. My friend right there, he's doing his photography thing. Awesome, keep it up, brother. Look at this. We are done filming for the day. Really exhausted and thirsty. Bro, how do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Which one was your favorite part of this place?
Yeah, this Snow Mountain.
Snow Mountain, right?
Yes.
Bro, I kind of felt like I'm in Iceland or something.
Yeah.
Anyone who are traveling near Pattaya or Bangsan, you guys can come here and have a look at this place. It's really worth coming, and not really far from, even from Bangkok city. I think it's like 1.5 hour drive, right? So it's really good coming out here. Really adventurous day for us, I would say. Yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment your favorite part of this video and let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.